chasing the color, but I left my lover. Want an expensive thing.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing this like squishy, whichever one. I'm going to see which one's most solarizing. If you hear any background noises, that's my lovely sister playing games. So yeah, I'm just going to grab one out of the drawer, my squishy drawer, and see which one's the most solarizing. Also, I'm going to get my jumbo one too. My jumbo ice cream. And my jumbo panda will also be included. Anyways, so, okay, grab two, and bada boop. Okay, so I got my dolphin cake thingamajig, and, my soft and slow penguin squishy. This is Snowball. So yeah, basically I'm just going to be squishing each one, and basically like, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do this. I guess I'll time each one and then break down each time. Yeah, I'll tell you guys each time. Or, I need to figure out how I'm going to do this. Okay, so I decided I'm going to just do the time and tell you guys what the... Well, actually, can I use your iPad for the time?
Mine?
Yeah.
I'm playing a game.
Oh, okay. I'll just time on my type. Snowball will be first. Okay, it took Snowball 5 seconds to rise up. So, yeah, now time for cake. Okay, so the cake took barely 6 seconds, but 6 seconds on the stopwatch. So that means Snowball rose the quickest. So, I don't know. So, yeah, he took 5 seconds, and this dude took 6. So, yeah. Okay, next squishies. I'm trying to feel which ones could be these. Okay, so I got my mini heart squishy, and it's kind of rubbing off, which is sad, but oh well. It happens. And then my fox ninja. And my guess is, surprisingly, that this one is going to win because it's really slow rising. So, I don't know. I'm going to time them. First, the heart. Okay, so the heart took 7 seconds to rise up, which is a lot. Well, a lot to me. Oh, its eye just fell off. That's kind of weird, but... Okay. That's kind of weird. Awkward. Okay, now the fox. Okay, so I timed it to fox 3 times because I couldn't believe it. But it only took 4 seconds to rise back up. So the heart was the slowest. So 7 seconds to 4 seconds. Next one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick my next squishies. I'm gonna do a couple more rounds. Okay.
I don't have all day.
Ooh, okay. These are good ones. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure which one's going to win, but I have my owl and my strawberry. Rainbow strawberry. So, I'm going to time the strawberry first. Okay, the strawberry took 9 seconds. Almost 10. 9.90. So, that's a lot. So, the strawberry's winning so far in the whole competition. So, now it's time for owl. Okay, so owl took 3 seconds, I guess. I don't really care about the slow risingness, but some people do. So, this one is 3 seconds. But, see, it rises up pretty fast. But, and for this one... And if you're saying, I'm right about 9 seconds. If this rised up, some of the parts in the back still didn't. So, yeah. Let's do one more round. Okay. Last 2. Okay. Ooh, these are good ones. So we got my unicorn horn, and is that a hole somewhere? Yeah. I need to get my glue. I need to get my squishy glue. But anyways, I have my unicorn horn and my... Oh, that is a big rip. Oh, how did that even happen? Yeah, I need to get my squishy glue. Okay, I'm missing the time the bread. Okay, the bread took 4 seconds. Oh yeah, and the unicorn horn took 5 seconds. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, turn on the notification bell, and comment down below #ChicaClip so you can get a shout out in my next video. And the overall winner, who was the most slow rising in this competition round, was a strawberry with a time of 9 seconds. And yeah, peace out. Goodbye.